So rhythm is the pattern of sound, silence, and the emphasis on a song. That is what rhythm is. So because rhythm is music, without rhythm there is no music. So what is time signature? I'm gonna make it very simple because we are not really here for definition of words and stuff. We are here to put words into action. Okay, so I would say that time signatures are numeral numbers placed at the beginning of a step to indicate how the flow of the rhythm, how the rhythm goes, how the song goes, and which one of the numbers consist of two. The upper number will represent how many notes will be in the beat, and the lower number will represent what type of note is used. So you see, so if I should give you like maybe if I should say 12/8, you'll be able to understand. So before then, I'm gonna give you a simple and guide to reading time. So bottom number guide to reading time signature. So you are learning now. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the bottom number guide to reading time signature. For instance, when you if you see a time signature that we are treating the bottom number now, the bottom number first. So if you see a time signature that the bottom number is something like whatever it is, but the below number is 1, then you know that means this one now represents semi-brief. That means semi-brief in that music carries one beat, one beat. So if you see anyone that is whatever number I'm using, this but it's not musically allowed to use over. So if you see anyone that the below number is 2, that means throughout that music minimum carries one beat, one beat. You will see other notes, but whatever notes you see, minimum is those notes are equivalent to minimum being 1 beat. So if you see anyone that carries whatever it carries, then the below number is 4. That means throughout that music, crotchet carries one beat. And if you see anyone that the below number is 8, that means quiver carries one beat in that music. Quiver, this is quiver. Quiver carries. But if you see anyone, this one is rare. Although although I'm playing in this semester, I'm playing. Is it 24/16 or what this semester in my piano? If you see anyone that has 16, know that whatever number is above but the below is 16. Know that semi quiver carries one beat in that music. I'm gonna repeat it again. Listen and listen very attentively. This is a bottom number guide to reading time signature. Because this is without this, you won't be able to play rhythm. You won't even know the heartbeat, how the music goes, the sound, the silence, and everything about the music, how it goes. This is what will help you, the guide. So they won't write semi-brief, minimum, semi-brief. This is what they will use. So you need to know the names of these symbols, these signs, these notes. So I said, if you see any song that the below number is 2, that means minimum in that song carries one beat. And where is minimum? This is minimum. If you see any song that the below number is 4, that means crotchet in that song carries one beat. And if you see any song that is 8, the below number is 8, that means quiver in that song carries one beat. And if it is 16, what is quiver? Let me show you what quiver is. This is quiver. And if you see any song that the below number is 16, which is rare, very rare, that the below number is 16. And this most time you see it in piano pieces, but it's rare in vocal works that the below number is 16. That means semi-brief carries one beat, one beat. You see all types of notes, but those notes must be equivalent to one beat by semi-brief. Okay, so we are going to try to clap this rhythm now. We are going to try to clap this rhythm. Let's see how it goes. This rhythm, I'm taking it to be 4/4. Okay, I said that time signature. In time signature, I've already said that in time signatures we have two numbers. The upper number represents how many notes are in a bar, and the lower number represents what type of note is used, which I've just finished talking. So time signature now expresses two things. First, the upper number represents the beats, how many beats are contained in a bar, and the lower number represents what type of note is used, as I've just finished explaining here. So now let's clap this rhythm, and after this we are going to try to treat one other rhythm with a simple time signature. All right, so let's go. So this rhythm, okay, I think we are too fast, but let's just try to clap this rhythm, and then after this I'm gonna treat what we call note equivalence. We are gonna do plus, minus, all those type of things, so that we really understand how rhythm works, because this is where most of us have problems. This is where the problem is. You need to understand how notes are being calculated to get the correct rhythm based on the time signature given. Alright, so but please, let's just try out this one. Then I'll clean the old stuff, and then we see how we can calculate notes, and see how we can sum it to the needed time signature. Alright, so this is, what type of note is this? What type of note is this?
Semi-brief man.
Okay, so what type of note is this?
That is the meaning.
And
Crochet.
and
Quiver.
okay, so you need to memorize this stuff because it's very important. Okay, so I'm taking it to be 4/4. What's the meaning of 4/4? 4/4 means four minimums in a bar, because we've already said that the bottom number here means, since it's 4, that means the bottom number here means crochet, and the upper number means how many notes in a bar. So now simple 4/4 here means 4 crochets in a bar. And I've also said that it doesn't mean that throughout the songs it will be written in crochets throughout. You will see notes like this, you can see notes like this, and this, and whatever you see must be equivalent to 1 crochet beats in per beat. Crochet must carry 1 beats. This one now, because it is 4 crochet, that means now this note alone will now carry 4 beats, because this note for crochet is 4, and this note now will now carry 2 beats, and the crochet will now carry its 1 beat per note. It's 1 beat, and this one now, because it's not up to crochet, will now carry half, because 2 half of quiver make up 1 crochet. That's all I'm saying. I think I'm rushing maybe, but let's just see how this rhythm goes, and then I'm gonna break it down to our simple terms that we are all gonna follow. Right, so now let's try to clap. I've already said that I will count this one. I will also count this one. Then you count this one, then me. Let's see how it goes. So now this one, because you see it's 1 note, then you sustain. It's 1 note, then you sustain it too, and you clap 1, and then you sustain 3 beats. That's 1 plus 3. That's in total 4 beats. You clap only once and then count 4. So this is how it goes. So I will do like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are doing it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will join this one now. Let's see how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You clap this one now. It's 1, 1. So you do 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Okay.
Clap and let it enter my rhythm. Don't give me wrong. Like 1, 2. That's how you are clapping. We are starting again.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. We go again. We are going again. We are doing it again from beginning. So I'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. You 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see, whatever notes you see, it must suit the time, the rhythm of the music. But this is too fast, and I think if I should go this way, I will maybe faster than our shadows. So I'm gonna break it down. Now we are gonna talk about the note equivalence. Let's try to do plus and minus notes and see how it goes, and then we try to clap simple rhythms with the and then we look at the bar and the bar lines with simple rhythms and note equivalence. So that's what will be treated in our next class. So you enjoy this class. You know what to do now. Just subscribe and share so that other people can join.